What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do a review on this pressure washer. I got it at Home Depot it was on sale for $80. It's a 1600 PSI. It's got 3 nozzle modes. Come here. You got the turbo nozzle, it spins. You got the 15-degree and the soap, which are these right here. This nozzle right here, it's the soap dispenser. Put soap in there. This is a 15-degree, like the ones that they have at the car wash. And this one is a turbo nozzle. It spins. It's kind of weird. But yeah, that's the Ryobi. It's a small electric. Try it out, see how you guys like it. It's got a 25-foot hose for the gun, and I think the cord is another 25 feet. When you plug it in, you have room to move it. It's easy access. Not like the big bulky ones you have to be dragging around, you know. Another thing is that my wheels are plasti dipped, and with the turbo nozzle I have to spray away from it because it will peel it. Like, as you can see right here and right there, I messed up and sprayed it too close and it peeled it up. So if you have plasti dipped wheels or anything plasti dipped, I recommend you spray it away because it's pretty powerful. But yeah, that's the turbo nozzle. See how it spins when you shoot it? Now we're going to do the 15-degree nozzle. On the nozzles, it's just like if you use an air hose, it's the same way. Just click that down, put it in. Make sure it's stuck on there because the other day I put it on there and I pressed and it shot out because it wasn't on there right. So, but here's the 15-degree nozzle. And then now we're gonna do the final nozzle. It's a soap dispenser. This is just a real big hole and just like splats soapy water onto it. Well, first let's have some soap. Yeah, make sure you use the soap that's recommended for this. This is no bleach. Right there. It's got other instructions right here. Like the turbo nozzle, the 15-degree, and then the soap. Smells really good. That's a soap dispenser. It's not as soapy as a lot of people like it. There's different add-ons, I guess you could put on this thing. It's like foams the soap on there. Another thing, the soap goes by fast, so I just put my soap in a bucket and that's what I do instead of using the soap thing. But it's pretty neat, you know, to have a little extra soap on there. But yeah, that's the thing. It's all right for 80 bucks. I like it. now you can put it anywhere. That was my review. Like, subscribe. See you guys later.